Hey everybody, today we have Storm Chasers, the game, the board game, for 2 to 4 players from Buffalo Games, and puzzles. It's basically Twister, the game, the board game, but yeah. And anybody gonna go see the new Twister movie that's coming out? Twisters says a storm is coming. Buckle up. Storm Chasers is a frantic, fast-paced roll and rumble strategy game where you are the scientist chasing the storms. But be careful, the storms are also chasing you in each 3-minute round. Play within 25 minutes. Everyone plays simultaneously. One player assumes the role of the storms. So she's Storm from Marvel. Going while the other players are the Storm Chasers, kind of like Ghost Facers, but Storm Chasers. As a Storm Chaser, you drive around the countryside trying to catch the storms and collect data. From Star Trek? What he's doing in here? Oh, data, not data from Star Trek, which you must deliver to the research stations to score research points. Research? Man, nobody like to do that research. Especially liberals, they don't do their research. That's why conservatives rule, because we do our research. Oh, wait, but back. Side points before the time is up, but will the storm catch you first? You first. Or will you catch the storm? Tornado warning! If it catches you, it will sweep you up and drive you onto another part of the planet. I mean, game board. Island. Storm Chasers. Almost as good as Ghost Faces from Supernatural. But we're Storm Chasers. Watch the video and learn how to play. See, you can scan this QR code and go watch the video and learn how to play. Now that I'm showing you what's inside. The objectives of the game is to chase the storms and take them over. Set it up, set it up. So one of y'all are playing CERN, the people who control the weather control technology and stuff. Storm Chasers. Storm Chaser in action. And the other ones are playing people. Like from Twisters. From the Twister movie, or the Twisters, or one of the many different, there's a card glossary, movies where they have category 10 hurricanes and stuff. So, first up, we're going to look at the board. Boy, should we look at the bird? Here's what a storm is. And a storm is basically, it's a battle top. Battle tops! So it's like, whee! 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 Storm chasing. Alright. And we got these yellow lightning bolts. So you can put lightning all over the board. Zap! Lightning doesn't strike twice. Yes, it does. Then you have these different car vehicles that the different storm chasers or meatballs are chasing with. Then you have these dice. Look at all those dice with the different kind of symbols all over them. Nice dice. Then you have some more dice. These are the storm dice. I guess if you roll the storm symbol, you get to roll the storm thing. And then, of course, there's different little research stations here. which gives you different like abilities and whatnot. Of course, you got the lightning bolts you can put down, and then there's water, rain, and then there's like snow, ice, different ones. Storm Jesus! And you got these token tiles. You got rain, electrical, lightning, and of course hail, sleet, snow, storm chasing. And then you got the research cards. Research. Who wants to do that? Not liberals, that's for sure. And they say trust the science. Part of trusting the science is doing research. Through the scientific method called the hypothesis and whatnot. So you got, here's some starter storms. You got level 1 storms, and level 2 storms. And it looks like the storms get worse as you travel along. Level 3 storms. Oh, come on. What about category 10 storms? Man, this game sucks. You're going to go past for level 3. Man, knowing that there's more than level 3 2 storms, there's level 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 to strong. What about category 11 and 12 and the super storms? Storm Chasers! So that's the game. Remember, God is good all the time. All the time, God is good. And you know who causes the storms? The keeper of the storms. You know who causes all that destruction and whatnot? Well, besides nature being of God, there's a thing in the Bible that says that Satan is the prince and power of the air. So he's the sky god. Just like all the traditional mythologies have sky gods. For example, Zeus, Odin, Thor, they're sky gods, right? Okay. And, they're sky gods, right? Well, the Bible calls Satan Lucifer the sky god, the prince and power of the air. So, contrary to popular opinion or belief, the gods of the myth were fallen angels. Okay, right? Maybe not necessarily always fallen, too. Sometimes angels may have came down and people thought they were gods. Now, God is able to calm the storms. You saw that through Jesus calming the storms on the boat while he was, sleeping and taking a nap. He was calming the storms when they woke him up and told him, hey. So God does have power to control and calm the storms, both the natural storms and the storms in your life. But who causes the storms? Besides ourselves and our sin nature causing storms in our lives, it's Satan causing the storms. Satan is the prince and power of the air, the sky god, creating bad weather. Even CERN, where they're creating weather control manipulating devices, has a image to a satanic image, because they know that part of their controlling and weather manipulating comes from the idea of